In this video, I'll show you how to create a file from text using the Google Drive node in N8n, step by step. This is a simple but very useful workflow action if you want to turn plain text into a file automatically inside your automation. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want in N8n. This can be an existing workflow you're already building or a new one where you want to add the file creation step. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel. In the search bar, choose Google Drive. After selecting the Google Drive node, you'll see a list of available actions. From there, choose Create a File from Text. This is the option that lets you generate a file directly from text input without needing to upload a file manually. Next, configure what you want to create. Set the file name, choose the text content you want the file to contain, and adjust any other available settings based on the file you want N8n to generate. Make sure the details match exactly what you need, because this will control how the file is created in Google Drive. Once everything is configured, your workflow is ready to use this action, and that's it. You've now learned how to create a file from text using the Google Drive node in N8n. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick automation guides.